Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today we are going to create Facebook public group. Do you ever seen might be large there's a Facebook public group there for like a selling stuff or to promote your YouTube videos, stuff something like that. So we are going to create similar for YouTube video promotion. So first you have to log into your Facebook personal profile. I'm on my personal profile. If you see on your right hand side there is a sign, plus sign. So we are going to click on create. Once you click on create, there's a list of the things you can do, but we are going to click on group. We are going to create a group. Once you click on group, is asking you to group name. I will say promote YouTube channel and videos. You can name any, it doesn't matter. So here choose privacy, how you want to do. We are going to make this group for public. You can also have a first for private. So once you done, you create your whole Facebook group, then you can invite your friends and stuff. So also it asking you if you want to invite. We can also invite later. We don't have to do right now. So far we are done here to creating our group. Once you put name and choose privacy, then we are going to click on create. But if you look at this side, we're not going to be able to do anything until we create. But you can look, this is going to be look like for your PC. If you click here, this is look like for your cell phone if you look on the cell phone. So now we are going to simply click on create. Once you click on create, our Facebook gonna be take couple seconds. You already created. So there's a lot of more stuff we are going to do. We are going to add cover photo. It tells you here, customize your group to attract new members, invite friends, cover, add your cover photo, add a description, create post. So first we are going to edit our cover photo. We are going to choose photo from, I will choose here upload photo. I'm going to upload from my PC. I have a photo already sample photo created. I will choose this one. Simply click. It will take a couple seconds. As you can see, I have a cover photo. You can make manage like photo can be viewed properly and just save change. Once we save, we done already. So now we are going to click add a description. I will click here. So here we are going to put group description. I have a rewritten already because I have this group and I written already good description because we have to follow all the rules. Once is for public, you need to make sure you follow all the safety, privacy for the other people's going to be joined. So I'm going to copy here. I'll go here. I will just paste. So I have already written description. I will say save. So group description has been uploaded. Now most likely we all done. So now we have already added our cover photo. We have added description already. Now we are going to invite some friends to just start. I have a choose couple. You can choose all in your group page. You can start with the, or we can do just later. I'm going to start with the sum, say invite. So because they say you have to invite 5 to 10 friends to just start it. As you can see this mark, that's we are done. I have to also create a post. You can also click on continue later. I will say create post. I will just say I will just post this one right now and we will say post. So we will be done all the setup. It doesn't say anything else. Now we say continue later. Once you click on continue later, you can see there's a lot of other things. First, you can see member request stuff. We are not going to do anything yet. First, we are going to click on setting. Once you click on setting over here, say name and description. We done already. This is public. Hide group. No, we are going to leave it the same. You can also put location, but I'm going to put USA only. So that's only we're gonna do because this is public group. Anybody running a YouTube channel, they can do it. Also, we have a group color. You can change your color if you want. I will have a this one right now. We can put a little bit like reddish color, which one is belongs to YouTube. I will leave it this one. Badge group type, this is general. I'm not going to change because this is general. Room, you can click on, you can do a lot of things. Allow room in your group if you want. Only admin and moderator, any in the group. Auto, I will do close this one right now because we have to follow really in a detail for safety privacy, because there's a lot of rules in United States. I don't want to be having something as go against our public group and it's going to be shut down. So first, who can join this group? You can choose who can. I will say only profile or public and pages. I will click yes because this is public. Who can approve membership? We can say only admin. I will not give a responsibility to anybody else. Later, we can change who is pre-approved to join. I will say choose group, upload a file. I can say this one I have already other group. It's pre-approved. If they have joined my other group, they can join this one. Who can post? We can do anyone in this group. Yes. Approve all member posts. You can do on. I will say off because I will check before I do a linked page. I can have a linked my page link. If you have any your page, you can link that one. So apps, I'm not going to do any app right now. So far we have done here. Now we are going to here member request. There's no request yet. I will not do anything. Automatic member approval. So let's set up automatic approval. We are going to set some requirement for this one. Current city, we don't need it because this one we don't have to be put like actually Fresno. So anybody can do. Friend with someone already in your group. Yes, already joined Facebook. I will say like 3 months. So choose do two. You can also have it your own if you want. I'm not going to do per location because anybody can join. I have only 2 rules. If somebody follow, it automatically going to be approved. Membership question. We are going to add question. If you want to, I will not do anything. Exit. We don't need a question. Pending posts. We can follow us rule. Activity log. Okay, here we go. Another one. Group rules. Group rules we are going to create. We kind, yes, no hate speech or bullying, no promotion or spam, respect everybody privacy. That's it. That's our group rule. I'm going to also create another one. I will say you guys have to so I'm also going to create another one group rule. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel before okay, it says only 50 characters. So now I'm going to put my YouTube channel here so they can subscribe to my YouTube channel before they post anything. So that's all. Create, that's the other one. That's all. Now member, repost, contact, keyword alert. We can put keyword alert here. You can put any keyword. If somebody try to put this one, it will be already put on spam. Like say, I will say this is a little bit like different language. You can put a lot of keywords. Just add. And you can add more. That's be done here. Keyword alert, group quality. Okay, setting we have done already so far. Now we are going to back on our group and we ready to post our first video link, and that's it. So here we go. We have created our Facebook public group for YouTube promoter. People can promote video from any country, any language, open for everybody. Anytime they are going to post something, I'm going to prove. Once your group is good, you have a good members, you can also have a change, or you can add other moderates, or they can watch your page with the along with you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.